is brought to you by NordVPN.
I
Hey guys, I just want to quickly thank today's sponsor NordVPN. Use my link nordvpn.com/ZayneKing to get 70% off plus an additional month for free. For those of you who don't know, a VPN is a virtual private network which allows you to surf the web safely and anonymously. It protects your data while, for example, traveling or using public networks. NordVPN even allows you to access Netflix content which isn't available in your country. They have over 5,000 superfast servers in 60 countries, no data logging, you can use up to 6 devices at the same time, and if you run into any issues, they got you covered with their 24/7 customer support. Go to nordvpn.com/ZayneKing, the link is also in the description, or use my coupon to get 70% off. That's only $3.49 a month plus an additional month for free. NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk to try it out yourself, link in the description below. Thank you NordVPN for sponsoring today's video.
In a crowded dream, searching for the quiet that you need to breathe. Gave up on your sanity to hide behind your shadow while you tried to take the sun down. Hearts don't ever change to gold. Out there thinking that you'll win the world alone. No one ever told you that you'll have to fight for something, or you'll never learn to balance. It's too cold, standing in the middle of the downpour, looking in the mirror 'cause it's only you that you have to lose. Headed backward on a one-way, you're trying to stop from running but you can't wait. Bury all the evidence you'll only learn when you crash and burn.
something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
This ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright.